Check this.
I greet you and I wish you well. Eyima Mudia brings you informative news from the crypto space. Please subscribe to this YouTube channel, hit the like button below, and share this video with your friends. You can also leave your comment down below on the comment section below in this YouTube video. Please visit our website www.bitcoinpikin.com for more informative news from the crypto space. One of the reasons why we see Ripple XRP as the top coin, one, XRP has been increasing its liquidity by being listed on more exchange, with the most recent being Uphold. Uphold is an exchange. The platform has a digital wallet for debit, credit, and automated clearinghouse capability. Binance announced that it will be now offering XRP USDT pairing. This added to the aforementioned liquidity and the ease of trade on the platform using XRP. Please, down below on the comment section below, I'm going to add my Binance affiliate link. Please actually use it to open your Binance cryptocurrency trading account if you don't have one. If you want a Binance trading account, a cryptocurrency account where you can trade all cryptocurrency, please use Binance. My affiliate link is down below. The second reason is there is much anticipated cryptocurrency exchange by the Japanese banking conglomerate known as SBI Holding. The exchange is scheduled for release this summer with much anticipation by the company's CEO Yoshitaka Kitao. He has stated that the exchange shall be #1 once released. The third reason is Ripple has an amassing banking partnership on a weekly, if not daily basis. The news was still fresh about the launch of Santander remitting services known as OnePayFX that uses Ripple's X-Current when there was news of Ripple partnering Bank Doha from the Sultanate of Oman. The total number of banking partnership by Ripple is about 100 and close to reaching 200. This means that XRP is slowly but surely taking over the day-to-day payment of goods and services, and with it probably the crypto market in terms of market shares. Keeping all of these factors in mind, many of the cryptocurrency experts from different sources like FX Street, Express.co.uk, Investing PR believe that Ripple can end the year around more than triple or $3 to $5. This is almost a 10 times rise from the current level. If indeed it can rise to $8 to $10, the market cap of Ripple will be so high. Final thoughts: even though in the present scenario it might seem like a lot and even more than Bitcoin, but the present prediction in 2018 are also pretty bullish. This is the reason why the market cap of Bitcoin will be even higher during the second half of this year. Let's watch out for that in July. Do you want to earn some Bitcoin before July? BitcoinTeam.club is an automated peer-to-peer Bitcoin donation website on the Big Daddy blockchain. I will leave an affiliate link for the BitcoinTeam.club website in this comment section below. One of the benefits of BitcoinTeam.club I like so much is the free crypto trading signal, which members enjoy despite the opportunity available to members to earn over 4.9 Bitcoin in simple 4 levels. Isn't this amazing? I see BitcoinTeam.club as a platform to earn some Bitcoin and trade cryptocurrency profitably with their free crypto trading signal. Bitcoin Team community has another way of encouraging our supporters. Wow! Sign up today using my affiliate link on the pinned comment section below. Once again, thank you for taking out your time to watch this YouTube video. Please subscribe to this YouTube channel, share this video among your friends, drop your comment on the comment section box below, and visit our website www.bitcoinpikin.com for more informative news from the crypto space. See you guys in my next video. Bye Didi, say hi. Bye bye.
Check this.